Rivera, number 7,
Team Captain Tina Salak. Eliza galing lingkod. Unang puntos niya para sa Kalapit ni Homotera.
Yun ang mahirap dahil kahit naka-prepare ang triple block ng Philippine Army.
Roses. De Leon sa kabila ngayon. Eliza off the block and that scores again.
Eliza Valdez from the back. This time from the open hit kahit may triple block pa rin. Still got that point. Hindi try. Dapat supportahan natin
Oo
lahat
naman.
ng atleta.
Gonzaga dug up there by Tatan Bantone. Eliza Valdez. Ooh, good idea.
Pero not enough energy, not enough power on that drop.
Well, Tatan. Ruby. Eliza. Tina. Oy!
And a miscue, sayang yun.
Dalawang quicker nagkita. Quick, din. Sasakip yan ni Charo. Eliza. Wow, tatlong blocker na lusutan.
Oh, and look at Gonzaga go for that second ball.
And a great defensive stop there by Dindin, but it's still alive. Eliza. And that block goes out. Check this out one more time. Eliza Valdez seeing an opportunity. Agno. Great reception there. Gonzaga. Pinuhay ni Tatan.
That's right.
Pinuhay naman ngayon ni Dindin. Rachel wala sa pwesto. Ruby. Eliza. Dindin lifts it up. Agno. Makikipaglaban si Gonzaga but she just throws it wide. But what an effort.
Oo, maganda yung gustong puntahan ni Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Dakis. Soltones. De Leon. Valdez. Yes!
But across Martin gets that point.
Ito na yung sinasabi natin kanina. Why is this an advantage? At napamigay yung set. Although PLDT Homotera did play very well. Courtesy of Gretchen Solto. Homotera ang ating first set 25-22. Shake and play. Eliza Valdez against 3. No problem. And we will have our second set when we return. Tutok lang po kayo dito sa Shakey's V-League Championship game on combination Tubino.
Alam mo, nag-slip siya ng konti. Nakita ko.
Yeah, medyo natapilok.
Yep.
Oh, that's off the face. Ang Pinaldo. Power attack kami sa Eliza Valdez.
Yan. Nakita ko, nag-check yun.
Okay, ito yung pangalawa.
Wala. Iniisip ko bakit ka pa yung right here. Ano pala? Ano ba yung heat sipping inside?
Yun na nga. Tina Sala could not get it across. De Leon. Back set Valdez. Dakis. Balte. Dakis.
Oh, good save.
De Leon. Valdez. Salak again. Valdez this time. That's a bad setup from Tina Salak. Dahil na overreaching to Coach Rico, but this is a
Isip pa yun. So, Philippine Army kailangan ito blocking. Blocking na lalo na huwag sila nga tumigil sa kakablock.
Up front, you have 5'9" Rachel Dakis, 5'11" Tina Salak, and 6'2" Dindin Santiago Manaba. But it all starts with the reception, and Tin Agno could not contain the serve.
So, nakakagulat din, di ba? Pero 50%, ha?
Right.
Oh, Eliza Valdez.
Sa harapan natin nangyari, nakita natin yung forma ng katawan ni Eliza Valdez. Nagputo. Look at this, oh. Scorpion about to attack. That's just the best form. Guys, to give it up. Ruby. Eliza. Gonzaga keeping it alive. Rachel. Tufino into the net. And that was supposed to be para sa open na lang. Gonzaga. Tufino. Nice save by Lazaro. Valdez galing likod.
Eliza Valdez, hindi pa ito itong set point na ito. Let's see. Lalo na ngayon.
And too near for Eliza. Wow! But that's Eliza Valdez.
Right.
Walang mahirap for the Pino.
Wala. Kaya taas ko lang yung ball.
Tatan, Ruby, Eliza. Oh! Soltones, De Leon, Eliza again. Ito na. Eliza Valdez is now chosen to take over.
Remember, sabihin sila na yung sweat.
That is an ultra-fast bike brought to us by PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. So si Eliza Magbagumiko. Galing sa gilid. Wow.
Ito yung ina-expect natin na laro.
Oh, there it is. Finally, for the first time today, the Black serving.
As expected.
Valdez, send forward, goes in. Denied, still good. Ruby, Valdez, why not? We are going to a fifth set. Shaky, shake and play. The MVP delivers for PLDT Home Altera, and the crowd goes wild. Race to 15, fifth set for the championship when we return. Titignan natin some of the highlights here. Eliza Valdez all of a sudden rising to the occasion here. Sa ating pong, look at the crowd reaction after this hit from Eliza to send us to a fifth set. At talagang parang lumilindol po dito sa loob ng San Juan Arena. Puera biro po. When Eliza Valdez got Dakis and hitting Santiago Manaban. As Eliza goes again, both plays for Coach Roger Brian na hindi national team. So again, Aganon tinawid. Valdez! He was still a guest player for NU. They won a championship in 2013. Eliza Valdez. Look at this again. The Eliza Valdez serve.
Look at that.
There is no explanation. Jaja turned back by Balse twice.
Balse reading Jaja. So
9-all. Timeout Roger Gorayan. The third ball, light awit lang ni Gonzaga. Valdez. Siya maging misis. Tama ka doon. Valdez. Down to a 1-point lead. Then Lazaro could not dig that one up. Lazaro. Galeon. Valdez, malakas na naman. And then Jaja Santiago who just checked in, getting championship point. Hindi could do to stop that one. What a win. Well-deserved win para dito sa PLDT Home Altera.
Okay, so Eliza, you struggled. They tried to limit you, but at the end, kayo pa rin yung naging champions. What was going through your head at anong nangyari at nagawa niyo to?
Well, definitely we worked as a team today, and we gave our best, and that's all. It's for all the fans, kay God, sa family namin, and for all the efforts and sacrifices that we made. So, very inspiration and motivation to push